This is for Year 12 methods that comes out of the Technology Refresher Masterclass question number 1. How do I find tangents and normals? Well, in this particular case, because I've been told the x value of what I'm after, then it's pretty easy. At x equals 0, I've got a couple of choices. I can use graphs and tables, but if I use graphs and tables, I won't get exact answers, and obviously this has got a square root. But I'll show you how I do it in graphs and tables. I've got 2x square root of x squared plus 8. Now, they've deliberately set this up for you to make a mistake and to put the plus 2 inside the square root sign, so be careful. Press XE and make sure that what you have is what you're after. If I go graphs and tables, take this, I don't need the y equals, I can drag and drop, and I can analysis sketch. I want a normal at x equals 0. So normal, it's going to prompt me, where would you like it? I'm going to type 0 and go OK, and there it is. And if I touch on it, I then get I press XE, I then get its equation down below here. Now that doesn't help me much. I could cycle through and find out which is 4 root 2 and find it here, but what I'd like to do instead is to use main to do it. So I'll give myself a keyboard. Now I might actually give myself resize and make it the full screen, so get rid of the keyboard, resize. I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it into a new line. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go interactive calculation line. I want a normal, and I want that normal at x equals 0. Okay, and that gives me this expression, which is y equals. Now, that is not in the form of what I'd like here. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to multiply both sides by 8, and then I would like to divide both sides by negative root 2. So why did I do that? I did that because I had x multiplied by negative root 2 on 8, and all of these answers has x by themselves, so I multiply by 8 to cancel the 8, and I divide by negative root 2. Now what can I do with this? I'd like just to expand or simplify this, so maybe I go interactive transform expand. Okay, and I'm looking for an answer which is x minus 4 root 2y equals 8 root 2. X minus 4 root 2y equals 8 root 2. The answer is B.